Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV Center. I am Naila Marty. Today I'm presenting you the brand new 2026 GeoPro 17LE. As you see, I'm gonna go the inside features as well the outside, but I wanna show you this unit because GeoPro, everybody's thinking it's very expensive small trailer, but this 17LE, for sure they make it more affordable. And I wanna show you how you're gonna getting a luxury small trailers in very affordable list. Let me start from outside. As you see, this is a brand new 26 17LE GeoPro. It's a new floor plan because you notice on GeoPro they are very designed to pull with a small truck, small SUV, because the dry weight of them is like 2,900 pounds. Why? Because it has not a 8-foot wide trailers. So this is a 7-foot wide trailers. But they still kept the high-end stuff on the GeoPro, so they provide you with a gel-coated fiberglass in the front, versus some other brands, they just take this middle and put 3 pieces. So rather than 3 pieces in the front, you have a gel-coated fiberglass cap, as you see. Nice, beautiful diamond plate in the front, propane tank with a cover, battery and battery box. All the luggage door compartments, they are metal with a magnet, and it has the metal locking, not the 751 key, the cheaper one. If you look inside through the camera, you will see all aluminum construction. So the GeoPro, very well known for aluminum frame construction, 6 walls. So the front, the back, the both walls, and the bottom, as well the top, is all aluminum frame. Nice. This is the 17LE. It's a new floor plan. Off-road tires with a black motor cap. 4 stabilizer jack, as you see here. There's 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Power awning with LED light, as you see. Backup camera prep with the receivers in the back, so it's designed for bike rack, trays, and so on. As you see, they utilize all the storages. So this floor plan has 2 bunk in the back and a bit in the front. The bunk oversized, and they have a storage from inside as well outside. 30 amp cord come with the unit, and there's the adapter plug. 6-gallon hot water heater, city water connections, antifreeze, city water, and the other pass-through storage. This unit is very light. As you see, the dry weight of this unit is only weighted 2650 pounds. So 2,650 pounds this unit. So any V6 will pull it, any V8 will pull it. It's very light travel trailers. So that trailer will not stopping you from camping and enjoying the beautiful RV life. Let's go inside. I'm anxious to see the inside. We're inside the brand new 2026 GeoPro 17LE. As you notice, this has the same features and benefit of the GeoPro. You have full bed. This bed is a big bed, not a short, because this is a good example. I'm gonna lay down on the bed, and you can see I'm 5.6, and look how the bed is big. Also, the bed facing area where you put your TV and your smart TV on the bracket. Easy will sleep to adult on this bed, no question asked, even if they are big adults. The storage underneath here, and as you notice, this is the storage from inside and outside, so they give you place from here, plus the storage we showed you. Nice shelf, as you see, and you have a nice closets. GeoPro, very well known for curved roof, so the water and the snow will not sit on it, it come down. That's a plus. You have a solid dinette, and you can see solid table with the side cushions, roller shade, and then you have a storage right here above your dinette. They give you a really nice 2 bunk over here, and what I like about it, they give you the ladder so the kids could climb, so sleep 1 person top, 1 at the bottom. Very quiet space with a sink and a faucet. 2-burner range. You have a microwave, plus you have more storage and a nice place for cooking pans as well. Big storage right here. And then this unit come with the furnace. That's a big deal because the competitor, they put a fireplace, but this come with the, and then you have the fridge right here. That's your fridge, getting cold with light. Big closet here for the kids in the bunk. And then the bathroom has a porcelain toilet, as you see, and high-rise, big skylight, shower curtains, vents with lights, you name it. So as you see, this is the 17LE. It's an awesome deal on it. We have it. And GeoPro, they make it so affordable. Look at the link underneath the video and please click it. Call us and you're gonna see the nice, beautiful, low prices where no one could match and no hidden fees. And we'll love to make it happen. Come to Best RV.